Okay, so on this question, they're wanting us to evaluate -8 to the, here, let's do it this way. -8 to the 1/3 power. So how do we do that? Well, remember the rule, a fractional power like a over b is the bth root of x to the a. That 3 swings around, the negative will just sit in the front, but the 3 swings around like that. Does that make sense? So whatever's in the denominator swings back into the hook. So that's the connection between fractional powers and roots. There are two different ways to say the same thing. Like I could say 1 and uno. I'm saying the same number in two different languages. A fractional power or a root are the same thing in two different languages, right? X to the a over b or the bth root, right? The denominator swings into the denominator and the fraction power swings into the hook. It's two ways of saying the same thing. Okay, now, what is the cube root of 8? Well, that asks the question, what times itself 3 times equals 8? And that'd be 2, right? 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is 2. So, and the negative's in the front, so it's -2. So the answer is -2. So again, so the fractional power swings into the hook, and 8 to the 1, that's just 8. Third root says what times itself 3 times is 8. Well, 2 times itself 3 times is 8. 2, and the negative's still in the front, so -2. There we go.